Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.71 trillion. We're up 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.8%. It is higher than this. Obviously, CoinGecko is a little bit behind, but right now, as of recording this video, BTC dominance is sitting at 45.75%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see mild red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is only down 0.3%, but meanwhile, some of the altcoins are down 2.1%, 1.7%. So you guys get the picture, and if you guys have been watching my videos over the last 2 days, I have been mentioning that as to why we are seeing altcoins not go up with Bitcoin as of now, because we are seeing BTC dominance go up very sharply. We will get into Bitcoin and BTC dominance charts later on, but today, guys, I want to look into Cardano. Alright, my Cardano family, if we are looking at Cardano's price right now, we are currently trading at $1.57. We are up 0.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.9% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $50.16 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $3 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,949.3%. Let's not forget that when we are examining charts for Cardano and looking at the price, we're still up 1,949% in the last year alone. But today I want to share some news with you guys, and then we will get into the charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Alright, so the Cardano team has released a brand new version of the Alonzo Blue 2.0 node to the testnet, marking another milestone completed for the launch of the Alonzo platform. Research and development company Input Output HK, which played a leading role in the development of the Cardano blockchain platform, reported that they have released a brand new version of the Alonzo 2.0 node on its testnet. The update includes a major update of the command line interface known as CLI and provides the basis for rolling out all the other variants of smart contract implementations, but it still remains the early code of the important building block. The update network allows users to connect smart transactions, metadata on-chain, and store executable contract data. This will open the era of smart contracts within the Cardano network for the first stake pool operators, SPO, and those who will start to submit and test simple smart transactions to the distribution ledger using the Alonzo node. The latest update marks another milestone to complete the Alonzo platform launch. The full release of Alonzo is expected to simplify the development of new decentralized application dApps, including decentralized finance protocol. Very, very interesting, guys, and if you're a Cardano holder, this is very, very exciting news indeed. So I wanted to share that with you guys. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what exactly Cardano is doing right now. So as of now, we have not been doing anything interesting. We did go up to this point, 50 Fibonacci retracement level, just yesterday. Earlier today, but we have since pulled towards the downside because Bitcoin did see $41,000, but it has retraced since then. So obviously, altcoins have retraced with it. But so far, so good, guys. The charts aren't doing something very spectacular. Spectacular right now because Obviously, BTC dominance is a major indicator that we have to be monitoring right now, especially if you're an altcoin holder. Um, Obviously, when BTC dominance does fall towards the downside and less interest is on Bitcoin and more on altcoins, then yes, we could definitely see Cardano along with other altcoins making a fast recovery towards the upside. A lot of comments are saying what's going on. We're seeing Bitcoin hit $41,000. Well, why is Cardano not moving towards the upside? I did make this video yesterday for you guys explaining as to why this is exactly happening. And if you guys missed it, let me explain it to you guys once more. So as I have mentioned, BTC dominance has been going towards the upside very, very sharply. And that is due to the fact that there is more interest flowing into Bitcoin rather than altcoins as of now. And when that is the case, we do tend to see BTC dominance go up towards the upside because more money is flowing into Bitcoin, causing the BTC dominance to go towards the upside, which we have been seeing over the last few days. And that has created altcoins to lag behind Bitcoin, and obviously Cardano is not an exception. Obviously, there are a handful of coins out there in the markets that are still outperforming Bitcoin majorly. I saw today Aave, Shiba Inu, some handful coins like that. But again, these coins have some major announcements coming up. Shiba was listed on, they were announced that they will be listed on Coinbase, 2 days from now on, along with Aave and Chili's, and Keep Token. So obviously these coins will be outperforming Bitcoin because there is a massive news that is coming out for them, and obviously the public reacts to Coinbase listing very, very positively. So that being said, majority of the other altcoins are still lagging behind Bitcoin, and that does not come as a surprise to me at all. But so far, if we are looking at Cardano specifically, we are holding very, very strong. And me as a Cardano holder, I would exactly like Cardano to be doing what it's doing right now. Let's not forget, as I mentioned in the at the beginning of this video, guys, we are still up almost 2,000% in just the last year alone, even though we are down from all-time highs as of now. If we do bring out the measuring tool, we are down 37.2%. Even despite this, guys, we're still up 2,000%. So this is why it's always important to look at the bigger picture, guys. And if we're looking at the bigger picture, we're still up quite a bit. I always tell you guys this, but if it's your first time landing on my channel, nothing is gonna go up straight forever. I promise you guys that. There might be some consolidation phases, retracements, price pullback for Bitcoin, causing the entire market to react negatively. Obviously, we have zero control over that, so you just have to be prepared for these kind of moves. And like I always say, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, holding would be your number one key to follow. And patience is your number one key. As long as you guys do that, your patience will be rewarded. Right now, we are holding very, very strong. What I would personally like for, obviously, Cardano to do is get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, as I have mentioned. And if BTC does hit a $46,600, I could easily see us between $1.70 to $1.80. That's still my target for the immediate short term for Cardano. If we do see a sharp decline in BTC dominance, guys, let's keep this in mind as well. We could see a possible retrace in the BTC dominance, which could cause altcoins to rally towards the upside. And if that were the case, I would not be surprised if we get back into this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. But we have to consider the fact that BTC cannot have a major pullback towards the downside. If it hovers around these ranges and gradually move towards the upside, and BTC dominance does go towards the downside, then yes, altcoins will start outpacing Bitcoin once again. But as of now, that's not the case. Looking at Bitcoin's price right now, we still have an hour from now on until the markets close for today. I'm sorry, not the markets close. What am I saying? Until the day ends, and we need to close above $40,000, and we are currently literally sitting at $40,122. Yesterday, Bitcoin was able to close above $40,000, which was a great bullish sign. But now we need to do the exact same thing for Bitcoin and stay above $40,000 and close above it, and then things will start looking even more bullish as time goes by. I would not be surprised in the next day or two if Bitcoin were to get more buying pressure kick in. We could get back to one of these price levels, especially this $46,600 mark that I have been talking about over the last 2 to 3 weeks, and how crucial this level of support is. And obviously, if we get above this $43,275 level, I would be excited then as well. But so far, guys, BTC is holding very strong, and that is a very, very bullish indicator indeed. But right now, for the next hour or so, we need to close above $40,000 because that is very important for us to do. Obviously, if we do break towards the downside, I do not want Bitcoin breaking below 38,000. But if that's not the case, then $36,200, this level of support is very crucial, and I do not want us to break below that. But if we do, you guys know things could start looking ugly. But as of now, that does not look like that's the case. But I will keep you guys updated what is going to happen in the next coming day or so. But overall, yes, my target is still in this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Some altcoins, and one thing I want to point out for you guys before I end this video is that some of the altcoins, you guys can go look this for yourself. Some of these altcoins are down quite significantly. They're even below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Meanwhile, we have Cardano hovering around above the 61.8 and almost literally, you could say, 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And we're only down 37% from all-time highs. Let's not forget that, guys. Let's absolutely not forget that. Cardano is by far one of the best performing crypto assets this year. Without a doubt, without a doubt. Obviously, we have a retrace from all-time highs, but if we do consider and compare to some other altcoins in the markets right now, guys, we are holding very, very strong, and that makes me very, very bullish. And obviously, I share this with you guys on a daily basis. I did not pull staking rewards today, but you guys know 74% of the Cardano circulation supply is being staked right now, meaning less coins are on the exchanges. That is one of the major factors as to why we are seeing Cardano holding a very strong compared to some other altcoins. And when markets tend to go towards the upside and the demand increases, which it tends to do majority of the time, Cardano will move up very, very fast, because when there's a higher demand and there's less supply, meaning less coins on the exchanges due to such a high percentage of Cardano being staked, the sky's the limit for the price. It's basic economic rule, as you guys may know. Long term, guys, I have always been mentioning this to you guys. We cannot put a price target on Cardano's price, because literally the sky's the limit for a project like this. It's definitely here to stay, in my personal opinion, and it does possess a lot of threat to Ethereum, and everyone knows that. And if it continues to develop as they are doing in the next 3 to 5 years, I could, definitely see Cardano taking over Ethereum. As you guys know, I have always been saying that, and I will continue saying that, because I am a very strong believer in that. But again, this is just my own personal opinion, not financial advice. But yeah, short-term price target is at this $1.70 to 80 cents mark, but we need for a Bitcoin to hit specific price targets in order for that to happen. And BTC dominance, yes, has to pull down quite a little bit for us to see faster gains towards the upside. But so far, so good. Bearish scenario before I end this video is that we break below this level of support, and we could possibly get back into this range. You guys know this 78.6 Fibonacci, I'm sorry, 68.1 Fibonacci retracement level is playing as a level of support for us. We have wick down here quite quite a bit, but I do not want us to break below it. If we do tend to break below this level of support, guys, then yes, we can get back into this 78.6, and obviously no one wants to see that, but we have to be prepared for all the scenarios to play out. But as of now, we are in the more of the bullish scenario rather than the bearish scenario. If we do look at all the all the indicators and everything, so far things are starting to look bullish once again. But again, we have to be prepared, because at the end of the day, you guys know this is cryptocurrencies and markets can be manipulated anytime. So we have to be prepared for that. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. You guys, my Cardano community, let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see Cardano trading at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And thank you once again to all my viewers, my regular viewers that show me so much support on a regular basis. I love you guys. And just remember, these are the videos I make for you guys specifically. And if you guys, took some time out of your day to watch my video, I would, I appreciate you guys a lot. From the bottom of my heart, thank you once again. And your support does not go unnoticed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel get to a wider audience and helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And with that being said, guys, let's not forget, safety, family, and health comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap it up around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.